Hi, welcome to our channel. My name's Dan. I'm in the Philippines on the Island of Bohol. I'm going to share some of my folding knives with you. This here is the very first cold steel knife I bought. It's called I think it's called Voyager. When I got it, it was just beyond razor sharp. It's got the lock back on the back. It had a belt clip right here, down to here, a plastic belt clip. The very first night that I wore it on my belt, I walked by and it caught on a desk and that clip broke off. And they wouldn't replace the knife. You know, really bummed me out. I said I'd never own another cold steel knife, but I have a couple cold steel knives that people give me. But I will say it's sharp. This here is the best pocket knife you can have. You put it in your pocket, it's nice and slender and thin, you never know it's there. It's a Victorinox floral knife, and what's unique about that is it has an edge just on one side, chisel edge. It's beyond sharp, beyond sharp. It's really thin edge, fantastic. This one's got a curved blade or not? No, I got another straight one. My dad gave me these knives when just before he died. He was a owner of florist business. But these were his personal knives. But really nice, really nice. Here's one. Here's a Victorinox Pioneer. Has a nice blade, has a reamer, a can opener, and a bottle opener, and straight screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. This is a fantastic knife. Our friend Tom, all the way over in Germany, sent these to us. Very nice. I always carry one of these. I put a lanyard on it because I put the knife in my pocket and the lanyard sitting up in the edge of my pocket, and that way I just got to reach my finger in and I grab the knife right out. Really nice. Here's the old standard knife everyone has. This is a buck 110. Very good. This was my brother's knife. I had one. I think I bought about 1976, and I carried it all through my career on the railroad till about 85, 86, something like that. And somebody stole it out of my car, but this is my brother's that he gave me before I came to the Philippines. But it's a fantastic knife. Lock back. Got the, it's much better than a liner lock. But the one I had such different brass and different wood. His looks like it's got a coat of varnish on it or something like that, but mine was a little different. Very good knife though. It'll last you a lifetime. Just take a look at it. He bought his in say 78. And it's got a heavy duty sheath, and the sheath is still snap shut and good shape. And here is Gerber's a Gerber rendition of the maybe the 110. It's heavy duty brass and wood. It says Gerber on it, and Portland, Oregon on the back. And it says 97223 USA. It's probably a zip code. Doesn't have a model number. It's like mostly all the Gerbers are mystery steel, but it's real heavy with the brass and the wood. And it's quite a bit smaller than it's about the same length, but it's much lighter than the buck. I got it at a garage sale or something. I thought it just looked cool, so I bought it. I'd never seen another one. Never seen one again. And my last folding knife is by far my favorite. Comes in a nice heavy duty sheath. I bought that. I swear I bought this in 79 or 80, right after high school. But some guy told me they didn't start making them till, I think he said 1990 or something. And it's a Gerber Gator. And it has a boy style blade, or they think they call it a clip blade. But I've had this knife forever, and it's got rubber handles on. Actually, they're hard plastic too, but they feel like rubber. And I've cleaned about maybe 15 or 20 deer with this knife. It's razor sharp and it stays sharp. It's a real good. It says Gerber 350, I think. No, 650. Gerber 650. And the other side it says Portland, Oregon, USA. But the blade's kind of loose. I got a messed up shoulder. I can't do anything. But it flips out real easy. I dislocated my shoulder on Tuesday. Popped it out of the socket, jammed it back in. But this is a really nice knife. I like this for hunting, for anything. It's by far my favorite folding knife. Gerber. And I don't know if they still make the Gators or not. I couldn't tell you. But I would rather have if I get one with a drop point rather than this is a clip point rather than the style of blade this is. But that'd be the only thing that I would like more, and I would like that knife a lot too. But it's a good one. Thanks for watching.